Take 2 bay leaves, 6 to 7 cloves, 4 to 5 green cardamom, 10 to 13 black peppercorns, 2 big cardamom, 1 cinnamon stick. Take 3 tablespoons coriander powder, 1 tablespoon garam masala powder, 1 tablespoon meat masala, 1 tablespoon cumin powder, 1 tablespoon turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 tablespoon salt to taste. Take 4 medium-sized tomatoes, 3 medium-sized potatoes, 3 medium-sized onions. Blend 4 tomatoes to a fine paste. Finally, chop 3 medium-sized onions. Chop 1 dark green chili, spicy chili. Slit 2 light green chili, less spicy chili. Take 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste. Take 1 cup fresh or frozen peas. Cut the potatoes in small cubes. Take a pressure cooker. Add 2 tablespoons of oil on medium heat. Add the whole spices. Add ginger garlic paste. Then add the chopped onions. Stir it all well. Add chopped green chilies. Add half kg of mutton mince in the cooker. Mix it well. After 5 minutes, you will notice the color of the mince has changed. Now add the powder spices. Mix it continuously for 2 minutes. Let all the spices blend with the mutton mince. Now add the tomato puree and mix it well. Once you notice the oil separating from the mince, add the peas and potatoes and mix well. Add 1 glass of water. Add slit chili. Cover the cooker with the lid and wait for 4 whistles. Once the steam has completely released, add freshly chopped coriander to the mince. Your mutton mince recipe is ready to eat. Try this dish with handmade bread or naan. Please like, share, and subscribe for more interesting recipes from Blessed Bowl Recipes. Thanks for watching.